blocks out the trees. There's something right in my face, and it's not good. So I took a picture and I put it all on the computer so I could see if I caught anything. And when I saw the picture, at first I wasn't sure what it was. It was like a mist thing coming towards me. There was a demonic looking face looking at me. It's got big eyes, pointed ears, and it's all in a mist.
It's quite alarming. I'm thinking that the thing that's out here is moving around the house and carrying on life like we are.
No.
Living